sponsored 14 there in row 2, alongside Mark George. Michael Harness hits the limiter as he gets down into 1. That's going to put Brown Dog and Kendall right on the tail tank of the 4 now, with a green-white checker finish. Rodney Hart has had plenty of pressure from Troy Ware trying to find a way through. Scott Wilson, Brock Dean, who's been running in the back all through this heat race. Mark George was on the back of Troy Ware, who, as I said, was trying to find a way past Rodney Harder, so perhaps Mark George got a little loose and got around, and Sid Whittaker nowhere to go following behind. Come together with the 15. Start there, got down into turn 1, and just after the start-finish line, it sounded like it hit the rev limit of it. Oh, something else an issue with the 14, because he straight off on the back straightaway and out of this heat race. So let's hope for Michael that his night's not over and he can come back either at the back of the A or through the B. So Anthony